Hello friends, today's topic is to do a task in which we will copy this entire PDF file data to our Excel sheet. If we go and copy this and just paste it, it will create a single cell with lots of junk data. So there is a way to do it. Let's explore it, how we can do it. Just open a browser, any browser. Let's open a Chrome. Now just open this PDF file, drag and drop. It will open in this Excel. Copy this link as generated above. Open your spreadsheet. Go to data tab. Here you'll get data. Select from other sources. Here you select from web. It will ask for the link URL. Paste that same URL here. OK. It will take some time to process. Now you can see that as I select the first page, it is as it is the same that is here. Just select it, load it. It will create the data in the format and your work done. Thanks for watching.